can't see what's in front of us.
I know.
I'm scared.
The other way, the other time. I mean, you should look at this. Like,
oh my God.
We died.
Yeah, we definitely would have died.
See,
I don't think you're making him nervous. I don't think he. No, I think he is sliding. Like bad.
Guys, welcome back to the Omega Green YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars, and we live inside of LA, so we do videos around LA. In today's video, we're going back off-roading. We are inside Hesperia, California. Almost said New York, but Hesperia, California again. I want to go test out. Last time we were here with the stock wheels and tires. Now we have upgraded tires. I want to go test out, like, how's it going to be there now. So we're going to go check it out. Kind of excited. I want to see like how the vehicle performs off-road. Like this type of off-roading, it's like softer material. I want to say like it's almost like clay. I don't even know. It's not. I guess it's not clay. I don't really know what this is, but it's like softer. So we're gonna go test out the Jeep in this type of environment. I'm excited. So I don't know. Let's go see how it's gonna go, and yeah, let's have some fun today. Let's go. Let's take a peek at this. I just want to look. One second. Oh, God. Whew. All right, guys. So, as you can see, this material is it's like sand. This is a pretty steep drop. I think we're gonna head down further first to see if we can hit some obstacles. What do you think?
I think we can do it.
I'm only worried about that. We might be able to. This is pretty steep going down. I'm gonna put it actually in 4 now. All right, it's time to put it in 4 high. There we go. We're in 4 high, and let's let it do the work. So very steep. Yeah, you wanted it to go down the other way.
The other way didn't look that bad, really.
It doesn't look good. We're good. Go this way. We're slightly, we're so cute.
You wanted to do I thought we were gonna go that way.
Wow, we are. I have to turn this way. Okay. Back. down that hill.
Yeah, I think so.
This is where we stopped with the dogs. So I want to go. We can go up. This is the big hill. You think we can go up this side?
Probably. It seems chill, just like this.
Yeah. Let me just look. I just want to show you guys the spot we were just at. So we were right here. It doesn't look crazy, but when you actually look at it from the ground level, we were a little bit higher actually up. We were like more up here. We were just coming a little bit too steep down this hill. And when we got close to here, we were slightly turning. I feel like we were tilting way too much this way. So I backed up and came down this way. So in our last video that we were here, we literally, there's a giant hill on this other side. We came up that side and we came down here. I don't know if we can make it up this way. I don't know. I kind of want to try hitting it from the same way we came before, coming up that way and then coming down here. We'll see. I don't know. I'm trying to go for a little bit more challenging obstacles. Whoa, what is this? Somebody lost their antenna. I'm gonna move that out the way.
Like right there, I should probably keep it moving.
Wow, fam. We're stuck.
No, we're not.
We gotta walk home now. Can't see what's in front of us.
I know.
I'm scared.
The other way, the other time. I mean, you should look at this. Like,
oh my God. Yeah, we definitely would have died.
See, we came up that way before.
We came up this?
Yeah. Well, we came up like that hill to here. This is the reason why I wanted to come up this side. We just go straight. Like, this is the way I came up. Like that path, bump right there. I'm scared about. Yeah. What do you think? Go straight down or turn around? Just go back down this way. Side would have been too dangerous going down that way. We could have probably done it. I didn't want to risk it though. But going up this side, it was pretty easy. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see. I think you want to explore more, like where we went before. All right, we're gonna do some more exploring. But at least so far though, the Jeep is actually performing pretty well, better than it did the first time we came out. So yeah, let's keep going and let's see where else we're gonna find. going up that.
Where?
Look.
Where's he at? Oh, no, he not.
He back. I want to see him do it.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. What if we just saw him tip over the wall?
I would go over there.
I would cry. I'd be scared.
Yo, he's the GoPro.
No.
He's going backwards.
Oh, God.
He's gonna muscle his way through.
I'm literally sweating. Stop moving, babe.
He's got it. He might.
There we go.
Yeah. He's gonna have to back up.
No, I think he is sliding. Bad.
Is he?
Yeah, because he's so sideways now.
He's turning. He's trying to turn. Getting a couple shots with my camera. I chose to film this video today with just the GoPro, just to be easier. We saw some of the Jeep try to hit some way big hill. He almost fell, but so we watched them for a while. I'm gonna get some more shots while I got the opportunity. It's a good spot. We'll get a couple shots and then we'll probably pack it up after this. But yeah, let me get some photo shots and some beauty B-roll shots for some more videos if I want to just use.